Some things in life you just have to memorize, such as definitions, French words, formulas, important historical dates, your wife's birthday, and names, and so on. Fact recall is one of the simplest things that we can test you on an exam, and it's relatively simple to do if you put in a little bit of time. So here's how we figure it out. My study tip is to use flashcards. Here's how it works. So you write one card for each fact you want to memorize. So on one side of the face of the card, you write the question or stimulus, and on the other side, the flip side, you write the answer. For example, what does the element symbol He stand for? Helium. So once you've made yourself a deck of cards, you shuffle them to randomize the order. Then, pull one out at a time and you quiz yourself. You can do this by yourself, or you can do this with a friend who's also learning the same subject as you. I've seen people do it in groups as big as 5, where they're all quizzing each other together and trying to figure out what the answers are. So you can even make your own set of questions, and then your friend makes their own set of questions, and you basically put all the questions together so you learn twice as many things. That's it. You just pull out the deck once or twice a week and quiz yourself to keep things fresh in your memory. Quiz yourself at least maybe once or twice a week, and you can always keep adding cards to the deck. So let's say you learn more French words, you can just basically add a new card for every new word you have to memorize, or if you're doing science, you add a new science word and you can add it to your list, and so you can build it up as the term goes on and you get closer to the exam day. That's basically it. See you later, bye.